And that's why we spend so much time on this show talking about retirement, because 10,000 baby boomers are hitting 65 each and every day. And so as a consequence, we're getting closer to retiring. We know the baby boomer generation is the biggest generation of our lifetime, and we need to now know how to retire successfully. So let's take a look at some of the reasons why we kind of need a new plan. We need new solutions, right? And number one is interest rates are very low. I guess I don't have to tell you that. You go to your bank, and if they pay you 0.1, 0.2, 0.3%, you're probably pretty lucky. That's not going to cut it, right? Then number two is longevity. We're living a lot longer. That's a good thing, right? I'm happy about that. But that also means our money has to last that much longer. Market volatility. We're starting to see the market being more volatile, which, by the way, the last couple of years it's been relatively quiet. Volatility is actually pretty normal, but we have to understand what it means and how to manage our own emotions with that. Gosh, what about our debt? $18 trillion of debt. We know that's a problem. We know that taxes will probably go up at some point to take care of that. And then, of course, healthcare, skyrocketing healthcare costs. There's no question that that's got to be part of our planning. And that's one of the things that's hard to plan for, because we don't really know what our health's going to be, whether we're going to need to go to a long-term care facility. But consider this.
Healthcare costs are the unknown variables in many people's retirement plans that can dramatically decrease the size of your retirement nest egg. According to the Employee Benefit Research Institute, 7 out of 10 people over 65 will need long-term care. 2 out of 10 will need that help for more than 5 years. So what can you expect? Home care costs about $20 an hour. Living in an assisted living community can run $42,000 a year. A nursing home, $240 a day. So how much money should you sock away to meet your healthcare needs? Here are the odds. The average 65-year-old couple has a 50% chance that $163,000 is enough, and a 90% chance that $283,000 is enough to cover your health care cost. Saving for extended sick days must be part of any realistic retirement plan.